Immediate implants are gaining popularity as a technique for the restoration of missing teeth, especially when replacing newly extracted front teeth. Immediate implant placement is superior to delayed implant insertion because the healing process is accelerated, allowing bone integration with the implant to begin immediately. Secondary surgeries are not necessary, preserving the health of gum tissues and reducing the risk of recession. Immediate implants also keep contaminants away from the socket, greatly reducing the risk of infection. Some immediate implants can be placed with an abutment and crown at the same time. This is called immediate loading. If your extraction site has enough bone quality to support it, you may be a candidate for immediate loading. During your initial consultation, we will complete any necessary 3D imaging, discuss your restoration goals, and develop a customized treatment plan for you. We want you to feel at ease, knowing that our team will provide you with the highest level of service and treatment throughout your restoration experience.